Okay, sorry, I didn't get what you said about the Pi network. You say you're still mining. Does it still pay as it used to pay, or it has stopped after the launch?
No, after the launch, it's still mining, but just that it has not been migrated.
The new ones you are mining has not been migrated.
Yeah, that they are not been migrated. They have not been sent to the wallets. They are just still there in the transferable.
Okay. Okay. So before I even go ahead and look at the chart for the Pi network of the thing, currently we have the price. It's currently trading at this $1.8, right? And market cap is about $12 billion. Yeah, that's huge actually. Market cap of $12 billion. Remember, the supply for this is about 100 billion. That's what I have problem with, right? Why is the supply this high? Okay, when even meme coins are doing 1 billion, so why would Pi network do 100 billion and all of that? Okay, the circulating supply for this is about 7 billion. I see the reason why the price is actually that high, right? So this is what is currently in circulation. Doesn't mean that it's only 7 billion they give out for the airdrop, or some of you decided to lock your tokens. All right. If you lock your tokens, it means the more they continue to release that.
Why mine then? We don't know what's coming up, so most of us lock our Pi. They give us the opportunity to lock it, and most of us lock. Some lock for 3
months. Did you say the lock is for 3 months or 3 years? Okay. Anyway, those opportunity to lock your token, I guess locking your token will earn you more rewards. Okay, locking your token will earn you more. Oh, I see. That's the reason why, right? That's why you have to see Pi go up to that $3 level, all right? Because currently market cap is about 12 billion, and then we'll have about 7 billion in circulation. So these are the ones that everybody is dragging in the market, which is why you see the price going up. Okay. So for me, that didn't participate in the airdrop and all of that, what I'll be looking at is, if I take this, currently I'm looking at the daily time frame, right? So if I take this, my fifth off, what was it saying? Okay, so if I take this off there, right? Yeah, we just retrace back from that, premium level down to the 50% level. So what I'll be paying at, okay, I did this thing upside down, sorry. I did it upside down. So let's take again from here up there. Yeah. So we just pull back to that 50% level, and then we started rejecting. But what I'll be looking at for right here is at least come down to this, my golden level, the 618 level, right? So if I get, Pi actually went below $1, right? Before later it flight. Yes. It went below $1. I think this was the first pullback around 60 something before it started flying up and all of that, right? I guess the locking, those of you who are locking your tokens, are the reason why this thing is up there. Okay, but if you want to buy, right? If you want to buy, since some are locking for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, it means that as we progress, more tokens will be coming into the market, and the more tokens come into the market, the more the market cap may reduce. And that will cause this thing to fall. So if you want to buy Pi, if it is something you want to buy, if that's what you're asking, you want to buy Pi to go for long term, buying even at this $1.83 is quite expensive for me, right? It's quite expensive because we are at that premium zone. We buy at a discount price. We don't buy at premium, right? You don't buy things when they are very expensive. You buy at a discount price. So chill and be patient, okay? Be patient. Remember I said that patient, if you must trade crypto for profit, you must acquire a virtue. In fact, it is a must. Okay, everybody's name should become patience, right? Everybody's name should become patience if you must trade crypto for profit. So keep an eye on this thing. If we get it down, let me see what we have on the 4 hours time frame. Yeah, and then you see volume is dropping on this. Okay, volume is dropping. So what Pi is doing right now is, yeah, so that resistance becomes a support. Okay, that's what we're basically looking at. So if you want to buy, fine. All right. If you want to buy, you're looking at buying from here, targeting that all-time high with your stop loss, beneath that level right there. Okay. That would be a good thing. But if it breaks below that support, then we should be looking at buying down to this level, right? If it breaks below that level, we should be looking at buying lower at less than $1 or thereabout. That would be a good idea for buy. That's basically my thought for buy. Okay, but if the mining still pays you, why not go ahead and mine them? I don't know how many. Can you mine up to 1 pi in a day? Those of you participating in all this mining stuff, can you mine up to 1 pi in a day? What does it require for you to mine up to 1 pi in a day?
Mining up to 1 pi in a day. Mining rate has reduced.
How many people do you need to refer to mine up to 1 pi in a day?
I don't really know, because me, I don't mine up to 1. I mine around 0.3 or so.
In a day?
Yes.
You don't have referrals. Yeah, if people, those who have referrals, are the ones who will enjoy it actually. Yeah, it's all right. But pi for me is a no. I don't know. From the onset, I've not done this thing. Even when my boss was on my neck, do this, I did not do it. And then he made a lot of money actually. He made a lot of money. I think he sold at $1 plus. And then eventually the thing got up to $3. He was crying. $2. Yeah, almost $3. And then he was crying. So yeah.
Please, I want to look for me. Storage.
Okay.
Storage. I've been on this trade for like 3 days now, and it's really giving me loss, and I don't want to close. So I didn't set stop loss.
You don't want to lose money. Ah, Jesus. How many X leverage did he use? For you not to use stop loss, how many X leverage did he use?
I used 10.
10X leverage. What's your entry price?
My entry price is 0.33. 0.33.
$0.33. When did you enter that trade?
That should be 3 days ago.
So 3 days ago, you entered 0.33 and this thing went to 0.35. You did not secure profit.
No, it has dropped.
Yeah.
It has dropped to 0.3. It dropped to 0.4. So I entered at 0.33.
Okay, you were buying when it was dropping, not when it was going up.
Yes.
Okay. Since I can't really establish when you entered that trade 3 days ago. Yeah, I don't know what you're looking at, but seriously, buy what's it called? This thing has could actually bounce up from here. Yeah. It could bounce up from here. So if you can hold, but it is down already from that 0.33 that you were looking at.
Yeah.
0.33 should be around this area, right? Around this zone here. So this thing dropped by 16%, by almost 160% if you're using 10X leverage.
Yeah,
and you held. Nice. Yeah, it's recovering back. Anyway, you hold it. You actually held already. So now that it's pushing back up, okay? Yeah, now that it's pushing back up, I guess you should be able to hold that. Because you held it to that area there. So for me, I'll be looking to enter that trade around that there. Let me see what the 1 hour can give me here. Yeah, so anywhere around here, we should be able to push back up and the rest. So yeah, if you get it at 0.35, you should be able to TP and all of that. Because I don't think, 0.4 is possible. But let's see what happens tomorrow, right? Tomorrow is the US. There's a summit taking place at the White House, and they say it's a crypto summit. Okay, so let's see what happens tomorrow. Market will have a U-turn to the upside, which is why I had to enter that BTC long trade. Okay, maybe we can start seeing the effect in the market starting this night or thereabout. But let's see what happens. Okay, let's see what happens with that stuff. Yeah, so hold on to your trade. And Solana, let me quickly look at Sol and see what we have. So, okay, let me see Solana. And don't forget, guys, Solana 143. Yeah, good trade. You know, don't forget to go and claim the Bybit position airdrop. 𝗕𝗍𝘀𝘁 is equally doing $1,000 position airdrop as well. I'll find out the details and then I'll share with you guys on Telegram. All right, I'll find out the details and then I'll share it with you guys on the Telegram platform. So take advantage. If you get 1,000 from Bybit, get 1,000 from 𝗕𝗍𝘀, and you can trade them patiently. Okay, you can trade them to some profit. That would be great. Okay, that would be great. So for Solana, okay, keep an eye on this level, right? So for Solana, I'm going to watch this level right here. For as long as we don't go below this level right here, I think Solana is a good buy for me. All right, for as long as we don't go below that level right there, Solana is a good buy for me. So I'll keep an eye on this level right here and see what happens from here going forward. Okay, so Solana, I'll be looking to buy anywhere around this zone. And then we can target even $200 for Sol. All right, we can target $200 for Sol. Our stop loss, we can do 2% down there. For as long as Solana doesn't break below this level, I think we should be good for a buy. All right, I will monitor this thing and see how it happens. I'm actually waiting for today's candle to close. I want to see how today's candle closes, and you know, I'll be able, hopefully, if I'm awake 1, 2 a.m., I should get an entry for Solana to the upside. For as long as that level I'm looking at on the 1 hour time frame holds. All right. So yeah. Any other question? I can see Mo has up. Yes, go ahead. Please ask your question, guys, so that we can call it a day here. More setups will come tomorrow. Hopefully, we'll get a lot of long trades tomorrow that will do well. I'm looking at BTC hitting the 100K that tomorrow. I don't know, but let's see what happens. Yeah, please go ahead. Please go ahead. I can't hear you.
Hello.
Go ahead. Go ahead, please.
Good evening, sir. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
I can hear you. Good evening. Please go ahead. I can.
Hello.
Oh, Jesus.
Please, I bought a one at 1.25.
I guess it. Say again. I guess the network is from your end, not my end, actually. Sorry about that. Sorry for the bad. I can't hear you. Okay, sincerely, I can't hear you. So sorry about that. All right.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Hello? Yes, sir. So,
good evening.
Good evening, sir. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, please.
Okay, so I'm new here. I want to know if this is a beginner's class for technical analysis or you just analyze trades here for us to learn and understand, sir. Because I'm
okay, what I do is come in, look at trades, answer questions, and yeah, we look at trades, answer questions, and be able to guide you wherever you're having issues and all of that. But for beginners, okay, for beginners who want to learn technical analysis, I will advise you take this course. Okay, I will advise you take this course. It's just 50K. If you want to pay in dollar, yeah, that is $50. But if you want to pay in naira, it's just 50K. So it's not that expensive. All right, and you can pay in any currency of your choice and all of that. So I plan to make this about this is the normal price, but I plan to push it back up to that price very soon. So anybody wants to learn technical analysis, everything you need, okay? And one thing I'm going to be doing to update this is to actually now start adding everything that has to relate to crypto, like trading meme coins, using Web3 wallet, how to participate in Web3 projects, all of those things that you obtain there on this platform, okay? How to trade using centralized wallets and all of that. I'll be updating that going forward on this, okay? So that it will not just be about technical analysis. When you learn technical analysis to trade sports, to trade futures, what if it comes to trading meme coins? What if it comes to, participating in airdrops? How do you know the airdrops you participate in? What are the platforms you should be looking at? So all of those things, I'll be updating them on the course going forward. So you have access to the course and you can get access to whatever update that comes to it, all right? So if you are a beginner, you want to start technical analysis, I will advise you go take this course. All right, go take this course. I bet you will not regret it. All right.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Any other question?
Yes, how to talk?
Good evening, sir.
Please talk. Yeah,
Please,
good
sir, can I
evening.
buy one USDT? Can I long it? One.
Run.
Yes, sir.
Which one is that?
One
As in,
USDT.
spell it, please.
RUNE. One. RUNE.
RUN USDT.
Because I have long it since afternoon, sir. I entered
You
the
have
trade,
long
but
day.
it's going down.
So you're already in the trade. So now you're asking me, can you still long it?
Yes,
You're already in the
please.
trade, right?
Please, can you guide me? Can I close the trade or I should leave it?
Okay. So I'm having a very nice structure right here. Okay. So first I have this trend line. Let's say down here. Okay. Yeah, I have a trend line that needs to be broken. That's on my 4 hours time frame. Let me see.
Okay.
Where was your entry? Where was the entry? Where was the entry? If you can,
1.25,
I'll just 125.
1.25.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you can, I will advise 1.25. Let me give you a stop loss. 25.
Okay.
1.25 is up here. Whoa. Whoa. You entered very early, actually. You entered very early. And I don't know what you're looking at. Okay. Stop loss. Whoa. Stop loss is a bit big. I think, God, what will I do now? Because if I say close this trade now, if I say close this trade now, seriously, 1.25 was too early. I don't know what you were looking at. Okay. I don't know what you were looking at. Even on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see a clear, resistance around that zone there, right? Even if you have done this on the 15 minutes time frame. Now, when you see a resistance, right? I know maybe this candle actually trick you into entering that trade, all right? So when you see a resistance, you wait for market to close above it, or you look for rejections around that area. So first we have this horizontal resistance, and then we have this vertical or diagonal resistance with our trend line that we drew from the 4 hours time frame. Okay, so a good area to have entered a long trade for this is when it came down here. You can see we have aside our other block right here, we have a fair value gap somewhere around here. Okay, fair value gap around here. Let me see if it has been mitigated. So we can say we have a fair value gap this area right here. Exactly. So that fair value gap has been mitigated, and what it means is, a long trade right here would be a good idea. All right, a long trade right there for room would be a good idea. All right. So if you can hold on to your trade, fine. Hopefully we'll get a bounce from here to the upside. But if not, I will advise you close the trade, do a 2% stop loss or a 3% stop loss, and hold a trade, a long trade from here, target that it breaks above that trend. And you can, see, because we have a resistance right here, if it gets to that level of 1.23, you should be able to take partials while holding the remaining trade. That's what I'm looking at. Okay? Yeah.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thanks so much, sir.
You're welcome. Okay. Any other question? Can we call it off here? All right, guys. So follow me on X. Everything I'll be talking about Web3 will be on my X handle. I'll be educating you guys on Web3. I will be posting more content about Web3 and all of that. So make sure that you're following me on X. Check out the last post there. And please, if you want to learn technical analysis, buy this course. All right. And last but not the least, Bybase's position net drop is still ongoing. You can still participate in that. All right. Tell your people who are not using Bybase to come take advantage of that and claim it. It could be a starting point for them. All right. Whatever. So it means that you are trading crypto with free money, because at the end of the day, you can still withdraw your $100 or whatever Bybase gives to you. You just do with free money. And if you lose it, fine. If not, if you make profit from it, you can keep 100% of the profit yourself. That is it for this video. That is it for today's live stream, guys. Thank you so much. If there are no more questions, no more contributions, I think we'll call it off here. I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? Lastly, I'll have an event tomorrow at the office. If you're in Abuja, you're most welcome, okay? Our office is located at Best Center inside of the Abuja Chambers of Commerce and Industry. All right, Abuja Chambers of Commerce and Industry is located along Airport Road, Abuja, just beside ShopRite Lugbe. All right, if you know where ShopRite Lugbe is, beside it you will see ACCI. ACCI stands for Abuja Chambers of Commerce and Industry. At the gate, tell them you are going to Best Center and they will direct you there. Once you get to Best Center, tell them you are looking for digital learner and they will direct you to the office. All right. See you guys tomorrow by 10 a.m. at that event. Don't miss out. And what we are discussing tomorrow is not just about crypto. We are talking about some digital skills that you need to leverage on, okay, to be relevant in this digital economy that we are. We're talking about digital skills, right? A lot of you come into this space. See, let me tell you guys, if you want to start trading, some of you come into crypto, number one, you don't know anything. You just see crypto as a safe haven. Right? Maybe because you might have heard somebody say, "Oh, I made 1,000 with $25. I turned $5 to 2,000." It is possible, right? With all those meme coins trading and all of that. Nobody will come and think, "Oh, I've lost $1 million." Oh, those who are there say, "Oh, they lose 2 million." Is because some other person tracked their wallet. They will not come out to tell you politely that I've lost this. It's only winning trades that will celebrate. Okay. And that mislead a lot of people. So you come in, you don't know anything, you just see it as, crypto trading is your safe haven, and you're not even ready to learn until you lose everything. Unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. So if you must trade crypto and be profitable, you need to have a source of income. Why? Because when you deposit your $100, there is a high chance that you will lose that money. Okay, there is a high chance that you will lose that money. So when you lose the money, how do you fund your account? All right. Why? We started crypto. We're doing, social media marketing, website designs for people and all of that. So at the end of the month, while we are trading crypto futures, particularly actually, while we are trading crypto and all of that, because when some of us actually started taking crypto serious was the first bull run I experienced was that of 2017. Yeah. That of 2017, when market was, really doing where you buy one small token before you know money. That's one good thing I love about crypto. Whether you trade futures or not, you just go and buy on spot, and before you know, phew. For instance, if you take, for instance, Fatcoin, if you have bought Fatcoin around here yesterday when we were talking about it or thereabout, okay, even around here, look at it. All right, even if it is on spot alone, and then you eventually put $100 in this, fat coin actually made 20%. So it means just buying this thing on spot alone, no risks attached. All right, no risks attached. So when you come into this space, if you really want to succeed, all right, when you deposit your $10, there is a high probability that you will lose that $10. Why? Because number one, you have not learned anything about risk management. You just want to take signals. And the signals, for instance, this signal says, okay, this one, this stop loss is small. Some stop loss are very big. This one, 6%. And you only have $10. You're taking a trade with a stop loss of 6%. I can do that because maybe I have the capital or you know, I can endure it even if I lose the money. But you that is just starting up, all right? If you blindly follow this trade and eventually hit your stop loss, yeah. I've shared this here. I don't know if the guy is still here, all right? If you are here, please pardon me. It was here. I was trading with somebody who grew $100. Was it $100 or $200 to $12,000 in 2 weeks? The guy was a mad scalper. Grew $100 or $200 to $12,000 in 2 weeks, and then lost that whole money in 1 day. He lost that whole money in 1 day, right? So a lot of you are like that. Some of us, you know, so when that happens, how do you fund back your account? You need additional source of income, all right? That is why you need some of these digital skills. You don't just sit there and say, there's crypto you have even ventured into. You are not even ready to learn it. 50,000 naira to buy a course is like, it is my life saving, but you are willing to lose that 50K in one trade. You are willing to lose that 50K in one trade. Patience, you know, everybody is coming here, they want to buy Lamborghini tomorrow. There is this guy that has been trending that will tell you any guy that has not driven Lamborghini. I was even saying it. If you have not driven Lamborghini, I think Lamborghini was meant that everybody who is born into this world will drive Lamborghini. That if you have not driven Lamborghini, is wondering what is between your legs. The same guy has been arrested, and that is the kind of people that you guys want to fool. Assuming, yes, they were selling courses, and I believe a lot of you were selling your family lands to buy their courses because you want to drive Lamborghini. That is the kind of lifestyle that triggers a call on you, right? I don't know the kind of courses they were selling, but today they have been arrested. They were not arrested because they were selling online courses. They were arrested because they were into drugs. So they were driving Lamborghini because of drugs, and they were selling dropshipping courses to you. And many of you have driven Lamborghini with the dropshipping courses that they were selling to you. But you won't really blame them because some of us who are not flying private jet, we are not driving Lamborghini, we are not paying to buy a course. You know, they really make sense, right? So make us start to the fly plane now. They show everything online. Go to one big restaurant, eat rice and chicken, and show it online. Buy a bling bling, wear it on my neck, and show it online. And then I come in here and turn this course to $500. Let me see whether many of you will not buy it. You will buy it, right? Why will you buy it? Because you want to be, you think by buying that course, you will automatically be like me. That is the mindset, right? So I won't really blame those who come online, launch their world in order to sell a course to you. Guys, if I reach that level, I will not have time to come and stay and be telling you buy my course. Anyway, by the way, I hope you learned something. Okay, just be careful out there. There's money in crypto. If you can learn it and learn to be patient, you'll make money in this space. Believe me, you must not trade futures. Okay, you must not trade futures. You must not trade me to give you money, right? This move alone, 20% on spot on the fat coin, happened in a day. It didn't happen in 2 days, all right? And you can see a lot of other tokens. If I come in here, I made a video lastly where I say don't pay for signals, okay? Look at 𝗘𝗅𝗰𝗵𝗴 is up by 52% in 24 hours, okay? Just imagine that I posted this like 2-3 days ago when I say buy this thing. Just imagine that you bought it on spot. And today you see that it has moved up by 50%. And you put maybe 100, 200, 1,000 in this. Won't you be happy? Won't you be happy? 𝗘𝗅𝗰𝗵𝗴, we've been trading this thing. If you have noticed, if you follow this, right? If you follow this, it's very simple. Let me teach you one thing. Okay, it's very simple. The reason why I love Fibonacci 2 and the whole of this course, one module like this is dedicated to Fibonacci 2. If you did anything related to mathematics and Fibonacci, that is the Fibonacci we are talking about. The Fibonacci is not one kind of funny thing. It's that same Fibonacci you studied in maths, in mathematics that we are talking about, okay? So one particular module is dedicated to Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci expansion, negative Fibonacci, all of this, okay, is all about Fibonacci 2. That's why I love using my Fibonacci 2, right? So if I go to this tool and I go right here, 𝗘𝗅𝗰𝗵 has been pumping for a while, for a few days, okay? It has been on the gainers list. So what I do, this thing has gone already. I take my Fibonacci. This is where the move started. Take it up there, okay? Boom. You see, right? So this thing flew from here, went up to that area, and then we came back, okay? You can see this week here, it was close to my golden level, right? Came back to that golden level, and what happened? It started bouncing. So if you now come to lower time frames, like the 1 hour time, I think this is the level I was targeting, right? You see this came tested this level right here. Okay, as long as it's below this 50% level, it is an opportunity for you to buy, because when it flew up right here, the whole of this area above 50% is a discount level. Below 50 is a premium level, rather. Below 50% is a discount level. That's the whole essence of trading, right? That's the whole essence of this trade. This idea of spot trading is what every businessman does, right? Those of you do buying and selling, how do you do it? If you sell food and all of that, you sell okrika. What do? If you sell, anything at all you are selling, you buy at a lower price and you sell it, okay? You add some money on it and sell, isn't it? If you go to the market today and they tell you that your okrika is now to 2,000, you want to go back the days that you know that is market day, that things will be cheaper. You go and buy, right? That's the whole essence of spot trading. You don't buy when everybody, is jubilating here, when everything has gone up. You buy when the market is very uninteresting. So if you bought around here today alone, okay, let's say you even bought from this engulfing candle right here, be up by 66%, guys. This move alone is 66%. That's one beauty about trading altcoins. If you get the right altcoin, you make money from it. I hope I've been able to, encourage you, instead of becoming like the trade I made. Okay, we have two categories of traders right here in this space. Those, we have winners and then we have quitters. Those who come in here thinking that crypto trading is their safe haven. Once they try with their $10, $20 and they lose it, phew, they disappear. Crypto is a scam. Right? It's okay. And then there are those who struggle and struggle and struggle and struggle, and eventually they become winners. Tomorrow, when they start flying their Lamborghini, they start showing off their wealth. Some of you'll be biting yourself and be crying. Yeah. So keep struggling, guys. Keep pushing. If you are here, I believe that one day you will break through. All right. The Lord is your strength. Thank you so much, guys, for being with me this evening.
Yeah.
I'll see you guys
Sorry,
tomorrow.
sir. Please, I have a question before you go, sir. Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, thank you, sir. My question is regarding the discount level and the premium level. So, which I didn't really get that note. You said the above 50% is the premium level.
Yes, below 50% is discount level. So
I expected to buy
you
at
buy
always buy at the discount.
you sell, yes, you sell above 50%, you buy below 50%.
Thank you, sir. Lastly, please, the entry and the stop loss for this coin you dropped. You said we should short. What's the name? What's the name of this coin? The coin is I didn't really see it. You said we should short one coin before ALCH.
If you can't remember the coin, that would be it. Okay. Keep an eye on Solana. I say you should long Solana. So keep an eye on that and see how it goes.
Okay. All
Yeah.
right. Thank you.
All right. Good night, everybody. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.